Hello, family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber. And on this channel, we experience fragrance and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Yo, sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. Let's talk about a singular review on a fragrance from my Scentbird queue. And I had to do it just because it's my birthday month. And I know that by the time you see this, it's not my birthday month. I get it. Okay. Y'all can share. But I had to come out with my Gemini. My Gemini fragrance. But I did Confessions of a Rebel, and this is Birthday Suit. So we're going to talk about this fragrance, and I, purchased this because it said Birthday Suit, okay? Because it was my birthday month. So let's get into my full thoughts on this fragrance. So versatility. Do I think this fragrance is versatile? A little bit. The jury's out on that. I think it's a little versatile, and let's go into occasion. Let me tell you my whys. I think it's versatile as far as like seasons. I think you can wear this year round. I think you can wear this in summer, spring. Well, I could. I'm talking about me. I think I could wear this in summer, spring, and in fall and winter. I think like this is for the season. Now, like the occasion part of things, for versatility, I think maybe not. Like if I was going to an event such as like a wedding, a birthday party, a gala, or something like that, maybe even a work event or something like that, I would not reach for this. But if I was going somewhere fun, I might wear this to a birthday party. So I won't say not a birthday party, but like wedding, if I'm like getting really dressed up for something, right? Like over the top, formal type of dressing up. I would not wear this fragrance. But if I'm going to like a casual birthday party, something fun, carnival, like a family reunion, something like that, right? Really fun, very laid back. I would absolutely reach for this fragrance. I think this is a very fun, free type of scent palette and vibe. This fragrance gives me the vibe of fun. Okay, hence birthday suit. It definitely fits. Now packaging. Now from the packaging, I don't know if this is a magnetic top, but if it is, that's pretty cool. I like the packaging. It's like this cube effect. So the packaging, I don't mind. It's giving black, white. It's like, I like it. It's giving fun. Like the theme, the vibe of this fragrance. I like the cube. It's pretty neat. I don't have, I'll get into that, but I'll tell you, I don't have any Confessions of a Rebel fragrance. So I do like the cube. It's pretty neat. Packaging, I don't have a problem with. Now pricing. This fragrance has to be pretty old because I was not able to find this as far as like, even like the gray market, I wasn't, but Amazon has it for $125. So, and there's only 14 left. So maybe this fragrance is like long and gone, but I did find it on Amazon for $125. Now, do I think this scent leans more feminine or masculine? It really did give me feminine vibes, but I feel like if you are a male and you like these notes that I'm about to say, cool. But this is definitely not like woodsy, manly man walking through the streets. Like it's really not that. It's very high on the gourmand side. So men, if you like that vibe, cool. If not, this is not going to be your jam, but I really feel like this leans more feminine in my humble opinion. So surprising, this was launched in 2025, so it's not old at all. Maybe you have to go onto the Rebel site. Maybe there's an actual site that you can get this from too. I did not look there. So probably try to check out like Google Confessions of a Rebel and see if they have their own site. I would think they do. And then order it from there. But 2025, it's not an old scent. So I didn't see it anywhere else but on Amazon. So hopefully that's not a bad thing. But let's get into the notes. So notes, we have vanilla birthday cake. We have musk. They also on this card talk about like birthday candle. They have whipped chocolate and almond. Okay. So that is that. Okay. Let's get into my full thoughts on this fragrance. Now, family, I love this fragrance. Okay, this is up my alley. Again, I am a foodie gourmand type of girl. I like to smell like your cakes, pies, ice cream, you know, candy. Like, I don't know. Like, I like to smell like that. It's fun. It's immature, which is fine with me. Heck, you know. So it does give you, again, this very free, fun vibe. I love it. Okay, I love this. This is very much vanilla birthday cake, gourmand, vanilla chocolate. I love this. But the thing that I enjoy the most is that it's this warm almond.
I don't even know why you tripping, but you're an almond yourself. You sell almond. Look at you. I'm gonna start calling you Almond Joe.
And you can smell it. And it's not nutty, but it's warm and like nutty as far as like, when I think of nutty, sometimes it's like peanut butter, creamy, like very, very nutty, very, very peanut buttery, like very heavy. It doesn't give you heavy nuts.
Whoa.
No, I'm telling you, pause. Pause.
Yo. Oh.
Pause.
Whoa. Go.
Pause.
Whoa.
Pause.
What? Yo, come on.
Pause.
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 Everything was going
Hold
smooth. Okay. It doesn't give you a heavy scent, but it gives you a warm, soft nuttiness. Okay. There we go. We're going to go with that. Girl, y'all know I'll be struggling. I'm trying to like, it's so good. Would I get a full bottle? Heck yeah. Actually, I was thinking like, I need to get this off Amazon. But now that I'm talking to you all, maybe I need to find the site and see if I can get it from the actual site. But honey, listen, I want to be a rebel. A rebel. Yeah, I want to be that. But again, that's what I'm saying. Like, men, if you like vanilla cakey scent, then you would love this. Like you would love this, just like me. I love this. I would not. Let's even go there. I would not be turned off if a man wore this. It's not that. I would not be turned off by it. But it would really be on the man's preference, because sometimes men really like this wood, citrus type of, aquatic scent sometimes. And maybe gourmands are not your jam. But if it is, yeah, it's good. I don't know what else y'all want me to say. It gives me birthday, and it's so neat to know that it has candles in it. So maybe it's like that's the burnt. It doesn't smell burnt, but maybe that's like the warmness that I'm getting. Either way, this is good. This is a winner. I actually want to purchase this. I need that in my collection. So I'm going to try to find a way to get it. Maybe it's even on eBay. Maybe somebody sells it for less than $125. Because I don't know if I want to pay $125 for this. That's the other thing. Pricing is cool, but I don't know for this type of scent where I know it's not going to I'm gonna wear it to fun events, right? Or I can wear it to all seasons, but I think I would wear it to more fun, so it's not gonna be something like an everyday reach scent. I think I would like it to be like more like $80, like $70, $80, something in that. So if I can find it in that price range, you know, I'm there. But I might give in and just get it for $125. It's not that bad, but girl, if I can save a coin again, I will. But yeah, so I would check this out. I would add this to your queue. Okay, so if you have Scentbird, if you have the subscription, I would absolutely try this out. Add it to your queue. Maybe add it to your birthday month and for the queue. And yeah, get you a little celebration. Well, that is all. That is my full thoughts. Oh, talking about being careful. I know y'all watching it. Polygamous. I know y'all watched it. I know y'all watching it on Netflix. I've heard multi of you all talking about it. Polygamous mess. And when I tell you, let's talk about this real quick. These African movies that are coming, like the Africana, okay, cinema, y'all doing it. Now listen, y'all drama theme is drama-ing. Drama theme on you all's movies. Listen, y'all need to be making some more movies because it's giving loveliness. I love a good drama. Like even what is it? Blood and Water. I want to say that's also on Netflix. Y'all be giving it on some drama themes. They need to be watching. Tubi needs to be watching. Not Tubi needs to be watching, but like, yeah, okay. If you have not seen Polygamous, go ahead, get you some Netflix. Go sign up for a free subscription, even if you don't want to pay for the full thing. Go sign up for your 7-day of free. Watch that movie, and then you can turn it off. But honey, it's good. And y'all, we can talk about it. I have some thoughts. If you want to know my thoughts, let me know in the comment section. I talk about it. Y'all know I talk about some movies now. Well, until next time, fam. Make sure you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed the content, of course. And make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one tells you that you're more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.